This question asked in JEE 2014 in a triangle, advanced question. In triangle ABC, sum of the two sides is x, product of the same sides is y. If x square minus c square equal to y, where c is the third side, if of the triangle, then capital R, small r by capital R is equal to how much? What is small r formula? Small r is equal to, we have formula, small r is equal to del by s. Already I explained many times. And capital R is equal to, what is the formula? Capital R is equal to ABC by 4 delta. And he is saying that small r by capital R, that is equal to how much? Delta by s divided by ABC by 4 delta. So this is I am going to get on the top 4 delta square divided by s into ABC. Correct? Capital R by small r. This is what you have to find. They given sum of the two sides. See here, sum of two sides they given, sum of two sides, that is a plus b is equal to, they given how much? A plus b. Sum of the two sides is x it is given. Product of the same two sides, a into b, let us take a, b, c are there, so a plus b, sum of the two sides is x, product of the two sides is y they given. And they given another condition that if x square minus c square is equal to y, where c is the third side of the triangle, then he is asking to find. So x square can be written as what here? X is nothing but what here? A plus b whole square minus, and here you get c square is equal to y is nothing but ab. You have to simplify this. If you simplify, I get as a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square is equal to ab. AB I will send this side, okay, and I will send the c square that side. I need to find here angle somewhat. So c I will see, I will just see the c. Can I see c1? 2ab, you know that what is cos c formula? Cos c formula is what? A square plus b square minus c square by 2ab, right? So let's discuss in that way. We will make in that way this pattern, okay? Plus 2ab send that side. So what I get here? A square plus b square minus c square is equal to ab minus 2ab. That is a square plus b square minus c square is equal to minus ab. So to get minus 2ab, divide by 2ab on both sides. So a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab, no, divide by ab, okay, 2ab, yeah, 2ab is equal to minus ab by 2ab. So ab cancel out. A square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab is equal to, I get minus half. So this is I can write as cos c formula. This is nothing but cos c is minus half. See half when it is happen, cos 60 degrees, in that is pi minus 60 degrees, yeah, pi minus 60 degrees. So pi 180 minus 60 degrees, that is 120. So c is equal to minus 120 degrees. So c is 120 degrees it happens. So you got the angle c is 120 degrees. What do you need to find here? What do you have to find? R is equal to delta by s, means area you have to find. So first of all, we will see one more thing, how to find the values of a, b, c all, right? So note down this. What is the r value here? See what you have to find here, r by capital R. So r by capital R you have to find. but r is this value you got 4 delta square upon s into ABC, correct? So what I will do here is I'll find the area of the triangle first. What is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to half into, you know, the C angle. So you know the C angle, so half into A into B sine 120 degrees, C is 120. Then area of the triangle is half AB. AB product is how much? Y. And sine 120 degrees is root 3 by 2. So the answer is root 3y by 4. This is the area. So I can substitute here delta square is root 3y by 4, and I can substitute s is a plus b plus c upon 2. So from there you are going to get the answer. We can see the according to the options we will solve the problem. I didn't wrote the options. I will show you options what they have given. Okay, I am going to solve it. This is look at JEE 2014 advanced question. Okay, so what I am going to get here is I am going to substitute there r by capital R is equal to 4 into delta square, that is root 3y by 4 whole square divided by what is that, s into s means what, a plus b plus c divided by 2 into ab I can write y, right? AB I can write y into c, right? C is multiplying completely. So here what I am going to get here, this I can write as 3y square by 4 I will get here, because 16 4 cancel out, divided by a plus b is how much, x, a plus b given x, so x plus c by 2 into yc. So we'll see according to option. I'll write the answer. Okay, I'll show you the options. Further, if you simplify, I get here 3y square by 4 into this 2 by x plus c into yc, 1y cancel, 2 ones are 2 2s are cancel out. So the answer is 3y by 2c into x plus c. This is the option in the exam. So this was the option, right option. So we have completed this JEE 2014 advance.